All right, and I'm back with my second box of 2020 Bowman Jumbo. Again, 3 on-card autographs per box. If you have not yet seen my video from my first break of this, I invite you to check it out. There was some last hit magic, so at least I think it was magic. Time will tell, of course, with any of these guys. But I walked away fairly content at the end. Yeah, so also hit that like and subscribe for me. I'd really appreciate that. Hit that little bell too so you are aware of when I upload new content. Yeah, I'm going to get the obvious stuff out of the way. A lot of really cool stuff you can get from here. You can get, of course, Jason Dominguez autos, Robert Paulson, a lot of the first Bowmans. Excuse me. But there are also a lot of holdovers from last year's draft who now have prospect autos in here as well. I've seen autos from Ali Rushman. I believe C.J. Abrams, I think, has a card in here. Andrew Vaughn. So yeah, you can do okay opening up this product. So yeah, let's get into this because I'm really excited to open this box. Waiting a long time. And got my sleeves handy just in case. And stay tuned, I have a lot of other stuff coming in too. Another box of 2016 Topps Chrome Jumbo. I've got some more 2014 Draft Asia edition on the way. Possibly a box of 2019 Topps Chrome Jumbo. It's currently in transit. Hopefully it gets here soon. I ordered it from Japan, so I'm not sure with the shipping and the coronavirus how long it would take to get here, but hopefully it will be here sooner rather than later. Again, I have my trusty Roger Maris autograph on hand for good luck. So I think it did bring me some last break. So let's get into this. Pack number 1. And on the back, I got a Gavin Lux rookie. Whew. I have to admit, I was hoping for more color in that first box. Let's see how I do in this second box. These inserts are not numbered. Actually, what I want to do is keep the paper there. Easier to get through it, I think. Bobby Witt, first Bowman. Kanan Smith, Adam Hall, Lucas Gill, Joe Ryan, Bryson Scott on the Chrome, on Acuna, Steve Aquino, Jordan Alvarez. I don't think I got him in that first box, so keep it off the side. And the Gavin Lux is cool. All right. Yeah, if you've watched the last video, you'll know that the best auto, I think, came at the very last pack. Make me wait, bite my nails a little bit. Town Pipeline, more inserts. A lot of paper. Vladdy. Very little color, I've noticed. Not a lot of parallels. Bobichette rookie. Kyle Lewis rookie. I've noticed those two guys run together. Hey, look at this. Jason Dominguez. Refractor. Nice. That's a nice hit. Even though it's an insert. Not numbered, but still cool. All right, that's worth being getting sleeved up. I'll take that. And more chrome. Zach Brown, Travis Swaggerty, J.J. Baudet. That's a nice card. Okay. And these packs are huge. They just barely fit in my hand. Still no autos. That's okay. So I got no. More of these inserts. Talent pipeline. Man, they give a lot of those inserts. Holy cow. Okay. Cody Bellinger, Jeff McNeil, Tatis paper, Victor Mesa, insert refractor. I think he's going to be good. Andrew Vaughn. A sky blue paper of Ryan Mountcastle. This is 432 of 499. Robert Paulson, first Bowman Chrome. Cool. And a Miguel Amaya. This is a sky blue shimmer refractor. Can't quite. This is number 63 of 125. Cool. Let's just check him out in the back really quick. Oh, he's got some pop. 11 home runs last year. Not much of a batting average, 235. But he is young. He's 99. He was born in 99. So, you know, he's 21 now. Yeah, 21 because March. So he has a chance. He's a catcher with power. That could be useful. That could be a decent hit. Jesus Luzardo. Let me just get those sleeved up really quick. Come here. And the sky blue paper. All right, cool. All right, so that was actually not a bad pack. That pack was pretty good. A couple different parallels inside. All right, still no autos though, and this is the last pack of the first half. Luis Robert rookie, and there's an auto. It's a Adam Hall. Not his first Bowman. Base auto. Second rounder from 2017. You know what? He looks like he could be a player. He played in 122 games last year, hit 298. Not much power, only 5 home runs. And he plays shortstop. The kid could be good. He's also, you know what? He just turned 21. All right, so he's young. if they ever play, you would expect at least to see him possibly this year or even next. All right, cool. Nice hit. I like that. And the Orioles need all the young talent they can get. They haven't been good for a long time. I can't imagine him not getting a shot. More paper. Nolan Gorman. He's pretty high. Yeah, they're pretty high on him. And that's it for the decent chrome. All right. Now we're in the first pack of the second half of the box. Still looking for 2 autos. George Springer. So I got a speckle refractor. And it's an auto. Okay. Oscar Gonzalez. That's a first Bowman Chrome. This is numbered 178 of 299 from the Indians. Born 98. Signed as a free agent back in 2014. You know what? He could be a player too. He hit 293 last year in the minors. Played a full season, 125 games. Had 9 home runs and 70 RBIs. And he's an outfielder. So he you know what? He could develop into something. That's a nice hit. I like that. Christian Yelich. Brian Matta. Oh, I see. There we go. Dominguez paper. Anthony Volpe. First Bowman paper. I was ready to mix up the paper and the chrome together. Whoops. Jonathan India. Royce Lewis. Miguel Amaya. Gus Varlin. Harper, Dozier, Story, Javier Baez. What was I say? Shane Baz. Brian Reynolds, Willie Calhoun, and Zach Gallen. I don't know who he is. All right, so there's 1 auto remaining, and I have, including this one, 5 packs to go. Let's hope I get some good color. What is that? Oh, I thought it was an auto right off the bat. It's like, what? Jordan Alves rookie. Nice. Alec Baum. Bayron Laura. Chris Valimont. Jaron Duran. Giselle Dela Cruz. A little ding right there on that one. Shelwan Noose, Mike Trout, Francisco Lindor, Max Muncy, Matt Chapman, and Yusei Kikuchi. All right. Open sesame. Zach Collins, Cody Bellinger, McNeil, Tatis, more talent pipeline, another insert, and Casey Mize insert. Luis Robert prospect. Ryan Rolson, Jorge Mateo, Franklin Perez. Oh, I got something gold back here. And it's an A. I don't know if it's a Robert Paulson or not, or even it's autoed. Oh boy. Let's do this like this. Because now I want to build up suspense. Not just for you, but for myself. It's probably more for myself. Luis Castillo, Hansler Alberto, Mike Soroka, Robel Garcia, Jesus Luzardo, Anthony Kay and Abraham Toro on the paper. Jackson Rutledge, and who's it going to be? Nope, it's not Robert Paulson, and it's not an auto. Okay, it's a gold shimmer refractor of Nick Allen from the A's. 498, third round pick in 2017, and he also has pretty good numbers. Last year he had 292, not much power, only 3 home runs, played in 72 games. Little guy. You know what? He's 5'8", 166. So you know what? He could be another Jose Altuve type of hitter. Nice. Okay. Sub 300 hitter. I like that. Okay, will work. And he's young. He's not an old prospect. And put you over there. All right, still one auto outstanding. But at least I'm getting some better color of this box. All right, last 3 packs. Bo Bichette rookie. Nico Horner rookie. Robert Paulson, first Bowman. Daniel Lynch, Keone Cavaco, Mackenzie Gore, Eric Pardino, Oscar Gonzalez on the chrome, Shea Otani, Lucas Giolito, Jose Urena, Francisco Mejia, Vlad, Jack Flaherty, and Alex Young. All right, 2 packs, 1 auto to go. It'd be cool if we got the 1 auto was a color one, and then the other pack had something color but non-auto. That'd be a nice way to finish. Bo Bichette rookie, Kyle Lewis rookie. There we go. Oh, that's huge. Oh my God. Damn. That's a hit. Wow. I have no idea what this is going for, but I'm willing to bet it's a small fortune. It's got to be a pretty penny. He's one of the top prospects in baseball. Oh, Sherton Apostle. Holy crap. This purple refractor is 239 of 250. Damn. Depending what this goes for, you know what? I might just sell it on eBay and then go out and buy 2 or 3 more boxes, depending on what I can get for it. Look at this. That is a huge, huge hit. Woo! Wow, that made me very, very happy. Big time power prospect for the Rangers. Wow. Let's yeah, you know what? When I get a chance, I will definitely be one-touching this. Excuse me. Wow. That's insane. That might have just paid for my 2 boxes. That seriously might have come close. I'm not sure what it goes for. I got to double check, but yeah, I am extremely extremely excited and happy to receive that card. That was everything else is just gravy. Wow, what a hit. That was just unbelievable. That was worth it. That was so worth it. Definitely the hit of the 2 boxes I ordered. Unless I pull like a super out of here or miraculously in that last pack. That would be insane. Wow. What a hit. That's got to be, I don't know, what, a couple $100, a few $100? If someone knows, leave a comment, please. I would love to know what that goes for. Last pack. I mean, I don't even care what I get in this last pack. I mean, of course I want it to be something good, but I mean, if I got nothing, I wouldn't complain. I mean, wow. That's just an insane hit. At least I could tell my wife I hit something huge. And she'll be like, well, for the money you spent, I better hope you did. I can hear her now. Oh, how's that song go? Love and Marriage? Just amazing. Yeah, I got nothing in this last pack. Whatever, I don't even care. Oh, that was just huge. Thank you, Roger. Truly appreciate you being here. Boom. So, yeah, my hits. The Apostle First Bowman Purple Refractor. The Nick Allen Gold Shimmer Non-Auto. The Oscar Gonzalez First Bowman Speckle Refractor at a $2.99. A base auto of Adam Hall. Ryan Mountcastle, that is a sky blue paper. Robert Paulson First Bowman. Miguel Amaya Sky Blue Aqua, I guess. Shimmer Refractor out of 125. Tough to see, but take my word for it. And I also got this, the Jason Dominguez Refractor insert. So, yeah, that's the break. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Tell me what you think of this bad boy. Be interested, So, again, take care, everyone, and be well, and stay home, stay healthy. And I'll see you guys possibly in a day or two with more stuff, hopefully. All right, so take care. See ya.